Hello, my friends. Kim J here. I'm a yoga instructor, Cleveland, Ohio. Many of you know that. Maybe you don't. Now you know. But as all fitness instructors we are not teaching our classes right now. So kind of a bummer. And I don't know, it's kind of weird time right now. So I just wanted to share a little brief tutorial. I mean, simple. Never done yoga before in your life. If you can stand on your 2 feet, hopefully you're not driving, obviously, and you move your arms, you're good to go for this. So hopefully you're good to go. And I wanted to just let you know, take off your socks and your shoes first. We're gonna do flowing mountain pose, which mountain pose is just that. You're kind of like plugging into the ground, and flowing, meaning you're moving with your breath, your arms. So very simple. I'd like you to go ahead and separate your feet about hips distance apart. And go ahead and release your arms, relax them to your sides. And go ahead and shift a little bit. Feel into the feet. Do you feel your feet? Now I know that might sound like a weird question, but often we do not pay attention. And it is my job to remind you to feel your feet on the ground. So there you go. And as you press your feet down into the ground, do you feel how that lifts you? So you don't feel heavy. You feel nice and tall and strong. If you can, just close your eyes. I'm going to keep them open because I'm recording right now. But close your eyes. Shut it down. Go ahead and feel what it feels like to root your feet into the ground. You're solid. You are rooting into the earth. You are unshakable, grounded. So we start in that place. And then notice your breath as you stand there in mountain pose. Keep your eyes closed if you feel balanced. And just notice the flow of your breath. Are you breathing? Again, it is my job to remind people to breathe, and I do it often. So please breathe. But more than that, notice your breath. So feel how the breath flows in the body. Every cell absorbing your breath, how nourishing that is. Okay? So rooting down into the ground, noticing your breath. Fingers relax to your sides, shoulders release down the back, relaxing the jaw, any of these tense places, just shake it out, shake it out. Okay, and now we're going to move what will first just go into extended mountain pose. So reach your arms out to the sides and then stretch your fingertips up to the ceiling. Now as you do this, keep the shoulders locked down the back. And can you feel that? Your feet are rooting into the ground, fingertips stretching up towards the ceiling, so you're really tall, you're a giant, you're amazing. Oh, it's a good stretch too. Take a breath there and release your arms down to your sides again. So now we're going to put that together, flowing mountain pose, moving with your breath. Inhaling, stretch the arms out to the sides. Reach up to the ceiling, and on your exhale, release your arms down slowly. So moving with your breath is a really good way to hone in on the present moment. So inhaling, right now you're just standing, breathing, and exhale, release your arms down to your sides. So can you do a few more of those? Just moving with your breath, moving with that harmony that is just so natural and comfortable. So there's this sense of calm when you do this. It's a way to bring yourself to a more mindful state. So regardless of what's going on anywhere else, you are moving and you're breathing, right? Inhale, reach up. This time, bring your hands together and draw your hands down to your heart. And again, if you're not driving, if you're here with me in your home, close your eyes and just take a moment to solidify this little brief yoga with gratitude for the fact that you are moving, you are breathing, and your feet are on the ground. Namaste, my friends. Thank you.